No more silence, no more waiting, no more pictures of his birth, no more looking for Messiah. Jesus Christ is come to earth. He's the one the prophets spoke of. So long we have waited for. Hear the words of his believers. For Messiah search no more. No more manger, no more baby, no more shepherds at his bed. He is teaching, he is healing, he is raising up the dead. He is speaking like no other. See the multitudes adore. Hear the crowds that gather round him. Carpenter, he is no more. They have crucified their Maker, stripes upon his back he wore. Hear the women softly crying, Jesus is alive no more. No more soldiers, no more grave clothes, no more weeping through the night. On the morning of the third day, he arose in glorious light. He has conquered death forever, done what no one's done before. Hear the shout of all believers. Jesus Christ is dead. No more guilt, no condemnation. On his cross my sin he bore. Hear the cry of this old sinner.